In this video, I will show you how to see recently played songs on Spotify. So let's get started. There are two ways by which you can find out recently played songs on Spotify. First, open Spotify app on your mobile phone. Now go to the Home tab and look for the Recent section usually listed near the top. Here tap Show All. And here you will find 50 recently played tracks, albums, and playlists, allowing you to quickly find and replay songs you've recently listened to. Alternatively, tap your profile image located at top left side. And from the options, tap Recents. And here as well, you will find 50 recently played tracks, albums, and playlists. So those were the two ways to see recently played songs on Spotify. If you found this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.